Hello and welcome to my channel Networking with H. In this video, I'll discuss about tools used for measuring cable distance during the site survey in data center. Determining cable distance during a site survey is crucial for planning network infrastructure and ensuring signal integrity. Here are several methods you can use, starting with measuring wheel, also known as surveyor's wheel. What you have to do is you have to roll the wheel along the intended cable path to measure the distance within the data center. This is effective for both indoor and outdoor measurements. Then we have laser distance meter. You can use the laser to measure the straight line distances, which is useful for unobstructed and direct paths. For complex path, I think you have to take multiple measurement and sum them up. Then you have measuring tape. By using measuring tape, you can stretch the tape along the path to measure the distance manually. This is accurate but can be cumbersome for long distances or complex routes. Then you have electronic distance measurement tools or EDM tool. This is often part of advanced surveying equipment. These tools use electromagnetic waves to measure distance accurately, suitable for both short and long ranges. Another option you have is Google Earth or GIS software, Geographic Information System software. For outdoor and large scale surveys, use these tools to plot the path and measure the distances virtually. Then we have cable length tester, or you can call it TDR, time domain reflectometer. Actually, this is for existing cables. I mean, if you have already the cables laid, use the TDR to measure the length of the cable by sending a signal down the cable and measuring the time it takes to reflect back. Then another option you have is blueprint and floor plans. Actually, I've used this document to estimate distances by scaling measurement from the plans. In the plans, you will have some measurement, right? And then you can calculate by looking at that plan. This is useful for pre-survey estimations. And the last option, which I personally use sometimes if you don't have any tools, is you can measure the distance by calculating the number of tiles actually. For example, uh, I have a raised floor, right? And I'm using standard tiles, standard like length tiles, for example, 60 by 60, which is like 0.6 meter. So if you calculate the number of tiles and multiply it with, like for example, 0.6 meter into 10 tiles is equal to 6 meters. This is how you can calculate. This is the easiest way. So by using these tools and methods, you can accurately determine the cable distance during a site survey, ensuring effective network planning and implementation. That's it for this session. Thank you for watching.